The vision and mission for the Creative Scholars Program is to provide comprehensive art instruction to high school students in the Philadelphia School District.
It gives students exposure to a lot of different crafting mediums that no one would really have much access to in high school.
Through very intensive, rigorous, high-level art instruction that's provided at no cost, the students develop the opportunity to learn new skills and to hone their powers of expression.
Creative Scholars in a lot of ways is us trying to make the Tyler School and Temple University feel like they have a front porch into what I see as a dream machine.
We work with students throughout the entire school year. It mirrors what a student would experience in a college program, and then it opens their minds to the possibility of going to art school.
I planned on going into the arts, but there was also that part of me that was like, oh, what if, is this the right choice? Is this something I'm really gonna be happy doing? And being able to do this like every Saturday for a year was like, yeah, this is right.
Throughout the program, I've worked on digital projects, darkroom photography, glass, and now something new to me is jewelry. I'm glad I got the chance to do it for free and get the experience, and I hope to do it later in life.
You know, they've really taken out a lot of the programs for the kids. So now here, she gets a lot more of the arts. I feel like the kids really need that.
It gave me a broader horizon of things that I could choose to do in the future or in college. I didn't even know that Temple had these many options here, which that was so cool for me. It really gave me a different idea of what I might like to do in the future.
For students that are involved in it, I think the opportunities it allows for them to grow as humans, as individuals, as artists is sincerely awe-inspiring.
I really noticed that, in general, my creativity has been going up with the days passing ever since some events in my life has happened. Noticed with this program as well, it's helped me flourish, and I've started developing new hobbies that I really want to get into.
They worked hard. For them to only have 20 weeks to get all of this work done, they do amazing work, and they did an amazing job.
They walk away with confidence, they walk away with connections, they walk away with an increasing awareness of what it means to be a creative.